How to recover the Brawl Stars account without the Supercell ID. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to access your account without Supercell ID, you require to contact the Brawl Star. For this, you have to follow the steps in which open any of your preferred browser and on the search bar type in Brawl Stars contact support. Tap on the first link which is a contact form. From here, tap on Contact Us written in the paragraph. Now it will ask you to log in if you have a Supercell ID. Since we do not have it, we will tap on Continue without logging in. After that, we will choose the category of something else and then provide our account name and then the email address which we used to create the account. After that, in the message section, type in how you have lost access to your Supercell ID and account and would like to recover it. Then you have to solve the CAPTCHA and submit it. Once verified, you will get a reply from the Brawl Stars support team within 1 to 2 business days, and you should be able to access and recover your account. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.